Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Honda TRX400X. This is electric start, 5-speed, manual shift quad, ages 16 and up. On sale here for just $44.90. Fantastic condition. You can see how beautiful this thing is. It's got brand new front tires, twist grip throttle, a rear view mirror, ASV adjustable brake lever. Thing is in fantastic shape. Price to sell just $44.90. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.